video, we'll be focusing on the 1-4-5-4-1 chord progression, also known as the Do Fa So Fa Do. Now, before revealing the song that utilizes this chord progression, it's very important you understand how this chord progression sounds. So here's a preview of how the 1-4-5-4-1 chord progression sounds. Now that you understand how this chord progression sounds, so if we're to be in the key of C, for instance, our first chord is going to be C major chord, our fourth chord is going to be F major chord, and our fifth chord is going to be G major chord. Now here are examples of songs that utilizes this chord progression. We have the popular Only You Can Do by Adai. Only you can do what no man can do, Jehovah. Only you can change every situation at all in my life. We have Covenant Keeper by David G. You are the covenant keeping God, covenant keeping God. You are the covenant keeping God. We have Salute by NK Ogboruche. Oh Lord, I hail and throw away salute. Oh Lord, I hail and throw away salute. We have Wonderful Love by Chioma. Your love is so wonderful. Your love is so wonderful. So I can't get over it. So long I can't get under it. So wild that I can't get around it. Jesus. Some of the popular African praise, Carry Me They Go. Carry me they go. Jesus carry me they go. They go, they go. We have Lord I Lift Your Name on High. Actually, this is not a Nigerian song, but it's still worth mentioning. Lord I lift your name on high. Lord I long to sing your praises. I'm so glad you came to save me. We have Na God I Dey Praise by Chioma Jesus. No be say I dey praise, na God I dey praise. Oh, no be say I dey praise, na God I dey praise. Oh. Where are you, my daddy, daddy, oh? Your baby is calling on you, eh? Where are you, my daddy, daddy, eh? I want to see you, eh? This Kind God, Another One No Day by Samuel Folabi. Another one no day. This kind God, another one no day. This kind God, another one no day. This kind God. The Miracle in My Life by Onyedikachi Ume. Now you be the Lion of tribe of Judah. Now you be the Bull of Bethsaida. Shaking a glory, hey, you reign it forever. Power from Above by Precious Okuchukwu. Power from above, there is power from above. I believe, there is power from above. I believe, and I believe, there is power from above. We have the chorus of Imegi by Judy K. Imegi, oh, Imegi, Zuru Keni Imegi, 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 Zuru Keni Imegi. I never see anyone like you. 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 We have Chukwu Obioma by Frank Edwards. Iye geme we Jawa Jehovah ma. Iga Now I just picked these few songs among many other songs that utilizes this chord progression, just to prove the fact that with just one chord progression you can play many songs on the piano. There's still many other songs that uses it, but if you keep practicing this video, with time your musical ears develops to identify even more songs that utilizes this chord progression. So now, just as I said, there are many other common progressions that allow us to unlock many songs instantly on the piano. So go check out that playlist you are seeing right now for access to other common progressions that allow us to unlock many songs instantly on the piano.